So the Katana magazines load as you would expect. Push your darts in. Alright. Since I have these duct taped together, I can actually load both sides. The regular Katana mag, you can't do that because if you duct tape two magazines together, it'll squeeze the magazines a little bit, and that'll make the follower stop. However, on these, I have replaced the follower in a manner described in a previous video, and so I can grab these, squeeze them, tape them together. It's all fine. Alright, that'll do for this side.